This is Celta English. Are you ready to learn the basics of the English language? In this video, we're going to look at the alphabet, words beginning with each letter of the alphabet, numbers and colours. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi, so you want to learn English. English is one of the most spoken languages all around the world. It is used in many aspects of life, all over the internet and in many careers. It's important to know English. So in this video, we're going to look at different key points for you to begin and to continue your English learning. So let's start with the first point, the alphabet. The alphabet is the foundation of any language. And in English, we have 26 letters, 5 vowels, and 21 consonants. So what are they? Well, let's practice saying them, and you'll see them appear on the screen. On the left, you'll see the capital letter, and on the right, the lowercase or small letter. So let's go. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Don't forget to repeat after me after each letter. The first time I say it, listen carefully. So listen carefully. The second time, say the letter. E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. You can tell this is British English. Z. Rewind the video and practice the alphabet again. So we're going to practice words that begin with each letter of the alphabet. And here a picture will appear and show you the image of that thing. A, apple, apple. B, ball, ball. C, cat, cat. D, dog, dog. E, egg, egg. F, fish, fish. G, girl, girl. H, hat, hat. I, ice, ice. J, juice, juice. K, key, key. L, lion, lion. M, moon, moon. N, nose, nose. O, orange, orange. P, pen, pen. Q, queen, queen. R, rabbit, rabbit. S, sun, sun. T, table, table. U, umbrella, umbrella. V, violin, violin. W, window, window. X, xylophone, xylophone. Y, yellow, yellow. Z, zebra, zebra. Can you think of other words beginning with the letters of the alphabet? Why not pause the video and make a list of words beginning with A, B, C, and all the way to Z. Let's learn now some numbers and colors. We're going to add all that we've learned so far together. So here's the numbers from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. So they're the first 10 numbers in the list of numbers in English. Let's continue with the numbers 11 to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. So they are the first 20 numbers in English. Colors. Let's practice colors. The three basic colors in English are red, yellow, and blue. Can you say that? Repeat after me. Red, red. Yellow, yellow. Blue, blue. Very good. Now, from these three colors, we find more colors. Red and yellow is orange. Red and yellow is orange. Yellow and blue is green. Yellow and blue is green. Red and blue is purple. Purple. Red and blue is purple. So we have 6 colors now. Red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple. And we have white and black. White and black is grey. So we have 9 words for colors in English. Excellent. So let's use the words we've learned so far, along with the numbers and the colors. 1 red apple. 1 red apple. 2 yellow dogs. 2 yellow dogs. 3 blue pens. 3 blue pens. 4 orange oranges. 4 orange oranges. 5 green umbrellas. 5 green umbrellas. 6 purple hats. 6 purple hats. 7 black tables. 7 black tables. 8 white rabbits. 8 white rabbits. 9 grey keys. 9 grey keys. And 10, a new colour, brown. Brown. 10 brown cats. 10 brown cats. Practice making new sentences with these numbers, words and colours. Excellent job. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate the feedback. And get in contact if you would like personalised lessons. This could be just basic English, business English, or any other facet of the English language that you want to learn. So, we'll see you next time here on Celta English. Bye!